Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Yes, you want mommy to do another makeup. Yes, Suzuki thinks I should do another makeup. And this time, he wants me to demonstrate to you a very easy, quick daytime makeup by just using one palette. And today I'm going to be using the Zoeva Matte Palette. You don't need to use any eyeliners or shimmers. So for the day makeup, it's just putting some colors into your eyes for you to go out for the day, to meet some friends for lunch, for afternoon tea, morning tea. So it's just a very quick makeup, um, very simple, very easy for you to do. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. All my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long, and I post a video when every Monday and Thursday. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi, I'm going to do day look today by using the Zoeva Matte Palette. So this is the Matte Palette by Zoeva. And inside you've got your standard 10 swatches of colors. This palette tends to be on the orangey side, but there are some amazing, really earthy tone color that is really good for a day look. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And today I'm going to be using the James Charles brushes again. Those brushes, this will be my second time using them. Sometimes you don't really know a product until you've used them a couple of times, and I'm going to wash them after this use and just see, and then do another makeup tutorials and just see how those brushes stand out and survive after a wash. So I've got my Bare Minerals tinted gel on today, and I've got my brows done. So all I want to focus on today is just my eyes. To start with, I'm just going to use quite a biggish brush, and I'm going to use this color here just to give a base for my eyeshadows to sit on. I'm just going to dab them. These bristles are still very strong. Just dab them all over my. I use another clean brush, and the next color I'm going to use is this one here, right at the top here. And this one I'm just going to put them slightly above my socket, just above my brow bone, but not touching the actual eyebrow. I'm just giving a bit of definition now to my eyes. Can you see, just giving a bit of depth to the eyes? Can you see I'm still leaving a gap, but really creating the depth for my eyes. And just using a narrow, smaller brush, I'm going to use the same color. Same color again, this one here, on my lower lash line. This is a nice little brush, and you can just tidy up the rest of the colors. Taking a different brush, still a biggish brush, I'm going to use this one here. It's got a bit of an orangey tone, so you need to be a bit careful with this set of colors. And at this time, I'm just going to go right into the socket. Just right into the socket. You know how I used to say I've always liked to have a black in all my eyeshadow palettes. This Zoeva Matte Palette doesn't have a black, so I'll have to pick the darkest color I could find and using a very small flat brush. So since I don't have a black, I'm going to use this dark brown here just to create the depth in my eyes, to outline my eyes. So this is what I'm going to do. Just tapping it like, almost pretending I'm drawing eyeliner with my eyeline pencil, just but creating that soft depth. I'm just going to put some on the lower lid. The lower lid just really defines my eyes. I'll tidy them a bit later. I'm just going to move that color up. Move that color up a bit. As we get older, our hooded lids tends to really drop right at the corner here. And so if we emphasize too much on the corners, actually it makes our hooded lid is more hoodier. So what I tend to do is, with the eye makeup, is to move the darker colors up right in the middle. So when somebody looks at you, they're distracted by what is right in the middle of your eye rather than on the corner. You don't want them to look at your corners. You want them to look at the middle of your eyes. So I'm going to bring these dark colors up and bring it up in the middle. And just a bit more and bring it up in the middle. Can you see it brings my eyes up? But if I keep concentrating on the corner here, and then when I open my eyes, it just makes people concentrate on my hooded lid. And just to finish off, I'm just going to use this fan-like brush here. And I'm going to use just this color, this very earthy colors here. And I'm going to mix all the colors together. So I'm just going to just mix them all the colors together. I love the fan-like shape, and I could just go over it and dab it and just fill in the gaps. Really nice, soft. This fan-shaped brush is quite easy and nice to use. Just to use this very short, stunted brush. I'm going to use the original color here. Just going to shape my nose now. Always draw a line, but just stop in the middle, but not go all the way. Otherwise, my nose can look a bit too narrow. So I'm just going to grab a tissue paper, and I'm just going to tidy this up. Just lightly, I'm sort of blending the colors together as I'm tidying this up. And lastly, I'm just going to use the short slanted brush. I'm just going to use the whitest color, which is this one here. And I'm just going to bring a bit of highlight to my colors. Just dramatize. Small brush, use another small brush and just tidy this up. Just tidy this up. I'm going to finish this look by using the Better Than Sex mascara. Just give it a jerk, look down, and just let the brushes do its work. And while the lashes are wet, you can put in as many strokes as you like. And with the lower lashes, I just put the brushes on the lashes and just give it a small jerk. My day look, I'm just going to finish with a lipstick today. And today I'm going to use this one. It's a very old one of mine by Lancome. Number 48 is called Fudge Celeste. So this is my quite old one of mine by Lancome. It's beautiful lipsticks by Lancome. Of a brownish, orangey tone. So it's just less bright and vibrant. It gives you more a day look. There you are. There you are. This is my day look. Very easy, very quick. Using the Zoeva Matte Palette, so there's no shimmer, no shine or glitter in here. So for a day look, it is just perfect. And it's full of earthy colors. I know a couple of the colors are quite orangey, so be careful. So I hardly use this too. It's just on the orangey side for me. But if you've got very fair skin and you can take some orange, can be quite dramatic. There you are, beautiful colors by Zoeva. And then today I used the James Charles brushes. So second time using them. I think they're great. For $85, I got 12 brushes. So that's fantastic. So thank you for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and all my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. If you have friends that could benefit from my video, share my video to them. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.